Yes guys, welcome back and welcome back to another video on upcoming Solana NFTs that are about to 10x. Now these are the videos where I go through my favorite Solana NFTs that I'm looking really closely at, that I'm really bullish on and that I can see doing really well. Before we get in, I am giving away one Solana over at my Twitter. Link to that will be down below. Definitely go and check it out. There's 3 days left to the end of the giveaway. Now, the NFT goes by the name of Meraki Pass NFT and it's got a supply of 1,555. It is in the Solana blockchain and is yet to release. Really early stages for this project and they've already racked up a really strong community. Now, why am I excited? What are things that I've checked and that I really do? Basically, what's making me bullish on this project? First of all, the team is completely doxed. They've got entrepreneurial experience. I'll be going through that in a second. Second of all, the concept and what they're trying to do and the vision of the project, I am really digging. I'll again get to that in a second. And third of all, one of the main bits of utility, which is the virtual art museum, which they do talk about quite a lot, is already being able to be showcased. You're able to experience it. So a lot of people, when they're building projects, they'll be like, we are going to be working on a play to earn game. We are going to be working on our own metaverse. We are going to be working on this and that. Well, in this case, these guys have already started working on it. The beta for the virtual art museum is already live and I'll be showcasing it in this video. And again, really early stages for this project. A lot of utility, docs team. And yes, I've also managed to get you guys a lot of alpha, a lot of different information from the team behind the project. So again, shout out to them for doing that. With that being said, let's dive right in. So first of all, they've built up a really strong community of 3,000 people. But again, really early stages, really under the radar too. And with that being said now, let's get into their website. So in the website, you can see the Meraki Pass NFT. That's going to be the name. Welcome to the Meraki Pass. Discover, experience, and organize and share the future of Web3 communities. Meraki Pass is one of the first virtual worlds focusing on one-to-one art museums and safe, transparent, and clean user experience. Here we get a glimpse of how it's going to be looking like. As you come down here, they have the beta version for what they're working on, which is the museum, and I'll be showcasing it right now. So right now I am in the museum that they were talking about. This is the beta version. I'll be linking it down below for you guys to check out too. But again, really early stages, a lot of work has got to be still put into it, as again, it is a beta version. But what we are seeing so far is that these guys are putting the work in. They've already started working on what they said they would work in. And then you got different NFTs that are being showcased. And it looks pretty good. It looks really neat. But again, really early stages. I've just got some early sneak peek, if you like to say, to this. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. Back to the website, we can actually just go down here and we get to learn a bit more about this project. So Meraki Pass is a virtual art museum powered by the Solana blockchain. We got that. The vision is to build the largest one-to-one art buying and selling platform on the Web3 ecosystem. Now, the rest is just keep on going about what they're trying to build, about defining ownership in the Solana blockchain of one-to-one art. But what I'm really excited by is that you're going to be able to buy and sell art through the Web3 ecosystem. And if you come down here, they do talk about they are looking to build a metaverse museum using virtual reality. Now, what I'm gathering from this is the fact they are going to be building a virtual reality experience for buying and selling different digital art and NFTs through the metaverse museum, which we just saw above. This is going to be really exciting as you're going to have a VR, so much more fun experience rather than just going on Magic Eden and OpenSea, minting and buying NFTs. In this case, you're going to be able to have a more of a going into a museum experience to purchase your NFTs, a more virtual reality experience, as these guys really believe in the potential of Web3, just like I do and quite a lot of people in this space do too. How does Meraki Pass actually work? So a large percentage of the funds collected in the Meraki Pass community wallet will be dedicated to collecting one-to-one NFTs from artists in Solana. So yes, these guys are going to be buying some of the top projects, top NFTs, top digital pieces of art within Solana, using the money collected from the Meraki Pass community wallet. And down here, basically, they're going to be giving back to the guys holding the NFT, giving different benefits, art sales made in the ecosystem. Again, will be prioritized and given back to the people that have bought the NFT and that are holding onto it. And they'll introduce the power of NFTs to the general public. Down here, we can actually just click here and explore the full roadmap. And as you come down here, the first thing you're going to be working on is the virtual museum, which we are seeing right now. This is the beta version that I've already went through. And yeah, it's looking really good. They're showing that they already started working on it. Second bit is the vote of the community. You have a decentralized art gallery owned by the Meraki Pass holders. So yes, that museum is not going to be held by one person. It is going to be held by everyone holding onto the NFT. As a holder and a holder of the Meraki Pass, you have lifetime access to the gallery in the metaverse, the benefits of all the art sales made in the ecosystem, and you'll have priority of the share of these works of art. Now, launches of art one-to-one. They're creating a launch for one-to-one artists in Solana. They will make a selection within the community where they will organize art contests. Now, these contests will help find hidden gems and make the community stronger. Altogether, they will support the community and the most talented one-to-one artists. Up at number 4, they'll have income and donations. All donors will go towards future income generated on the project. Museum art sales and art releases, they'll be redirected to the community wallet and DAO. You'll have lifetime access to the gallery in the museum and benefits from all art sales made in the ecosystem. The priority will be to share the works of art within the world to introduce the power of NFTs. And number 5, you go through the tokenomics. 33% of the main will go towards the DAO. 50% will go towards secondary royalties, and only the holders of the Meraki Pass will be able to make decisions within the project. So the future of the project will be run by the community. So yes, it is going to be a community driven project where they are going to have the chance to make future decisions, airdrop from other NFTs, and also tools for the holders. They want to create a set of tools to basically use for NFTs, starting with a leaderboard of the top one-to-one artists in the Solana ecosystem and expanding to a live deal tracker. Number 8, they have an expert DAO in NFTs. As you come down here, they're going to have a number 9, events in the metaverse and events in general. So private events and interviews with the best artists. The metaverse is going to be changing the world and they want to become innovators and building on it. And they'll continue to experiment and innovate with the different experiences and the benefit of the community. And number 10, the roadmap V2, hold elections for the DAO leadership, update Meraki Pass V3 website with real-time treasury tokenomics, design a new and improved 3D visual art museum to house of all the work of art, release staking, official establish a DAO governance, and a whole lot of bunch more that you guys will need to join the Twitter and the Discord to stay updated on. Down here, we get to learn about the team and the fact that they are doxed. The link to this will be down below, including the Instagram. And one thing that stood out to me is the guys behind the project have got entrepreneurial experience. And again, they are doxed. Now, as you come down here, we got some frequently asked questions. Main things to take away from it is that the due date hasn't been confirmed and the price is set to be 0.8XO, so about $100. Big shout out to the team behind the project for giving me access to the beta of the museum and also giving me a lot of info and alpha that I wouldn't have known. Other than that, it's been your boy Crypto Alert. Peace.